Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we've prepared a presentation that were given to us by our lecturer, Madam Nazirah binti Ibrahim, for our second assignment in a course DUM30127 Mathematicals for Engineering. So before we start, let us meet the members. I'm Hasif. My team members are Arsyad, Najmi, and Saifullah. So before we begin, let us move on with the introductions. So before that, the topics that we chose are the how much time students spend on social media per day. So in today's digitally connected world, social media plays a central role in how we communicate and share information. However, its widespread use raises important concerns about mental health, productivity, and overall well-being. With excessive engagement linked to anxiety, depression, and isolation, understanding statistics can help teens navigate this online landscape, offering insights into trends and empowering them to make informed decisions. So that's all from me. Let's move on to the next topic.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, thank you Hasif for the introduction. So, today I will present about our objectives of this assignment. So, we have the objectives are divided by three types. So, the first one is quantify daily usage. Number two, to identify trends. And the last one is to assess impact on daily life. So first, to quantify daily usage by utilizing surveys or time tracking tools to measure the average time spent on social media by students each day. After that, to identify trends by analyze data across different demographics, such as age and gender. And the last one is to assess the impact of social media on students' daily lives, particularly on their productivity and mental health. So moving on to the next slide. So this our histogram. So to support the objective, the histogram will be used to visualize the distribution of time spent. So like for each bar, for each bar, it will represent time intervals like 1 to 2 hours, 3 to 4, and 5 to 6 hours. This visualization will help in spotting usage patterns, like identifying the most common levels of social media engagement and observing trends across demographic groups. So by clearly displaying time spent, the histogram will provide insight into how social media may influence student daily habits and productivity. So that's all from me. So I will pass the next slide to our next member. So thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So thank you for my previous friend. So I'm gonna to talk about calculation. So this is our tables. It represents about time spent on social media. So for the next slide, we have a calculation about mean and median. So the mean we use goal average and all of frequency. So we will get mean 8. So we have a median. Median we use equation median. So we have use all of frequency. So we will get 7. For the next slide, we have a calculation of mode. So we use mode .sngl for table of all of midpoint.
So we will get a 3.5. For next slide, we have a variance. So variance we use equal var dot s. We use all of the frequency for table, and we will get a 7 for variance. For next slide, we have a standard deviation. So for the standard deviation, we have use stdev.s. We use all of the frequency, and we will get 2.6457511311 for standard deviation. So that's all for me. We will continue to our next slide of this map assignment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks to my previous friend, that is Najmi. So, I will continue to our slide. The conclusion. So, our project overview is focus. How much time do you need on social media? Highlights the significant daily time students spends on social media. Reveals social media central role in student life. So, next, findings on social media use. Many students spend several hours online daily, often prioritizing it over other tasks. Social media is key for connection and entertainment among young people. So, the next is benefit and downsides. Benefit is staying connected, easy access to information, and downsides, excessive use linked to decreased productivity, higher anxiety, and lower academic performance. Many students admitted social media distracts them from studying and other responsibilities. So, the next is data insights on usage patterns. 1 to 2 hours, 29% more balanced approach to social media. 3 to 4 hours, 46% moderate use with a balance between social connection and academics. 5 to 6 hours, 25% high usage, often for content creation, entertainment, or academic purpose. Most students fall into the moderate to high usage range, with 3 to 4 hours being the most common. Alright, lastly, call to action. Encourage students to adopt a more mindful approach to social media. Understanding online time and its impact can help students form healthier habits. Goal is to use social media as a helpful tool rather than a distraction. Alright, that's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you.